back to the Prodi Academy YouTube channel. I'm Michelle, and in today's video we're going to be discussing the benefits of using QuickBooks Online. Now, QuickBooks Online is the software as a service or cloud version of QuickBooks, which is one of the most well-known accounting tools that is available to businesses. Now, QuickBooks has been around since the early 80s, but the online version launched in 2001. Now, as one of the most widely used accounting tools, many businesses use QuickBooks on a daily basis. And now there are a number of benefits that the software tool provides, and those benefits can ensure that you always have updated account balances and fully understand your company's financial position. With that said, we're going to take a look at a few of the most popular benefits that QuickBooks Online offers and how this differs from the traditional QuickBooks desktop offering. Sharing information with others in your company, as well as with your bookkeeper and CPA, is incredibly easy making use of QuickBooks Online. And that's because everything is stored to the cloud. So there is no need to email files back and forth or exchange flash drives with your information on them. So you simply share access to the file with those who need the information. Now, this not only makes the access very simple and easy, but it also improves your security. And that's because your sensitive information isn't being sent via email, so you don't have to worry about it being intercepted. And there's also no need to worry about someone losing the flash drive containing your sensitive information thereon. And with both of these methods of sharing information, once you've given someone the file, you don't know what they'll do with it or how long they're going to keep it for. So when using QuickBooks Online, you can simply grant them access, and when it's time to remove their access, you can do so, which means that they will no longer be able to see your data. Now, in addition to the version of QuickBooks Online that runs on desktops and laptops, there's also an app that you can install on your smartphone or tablet. So this app syncs with the data stored on the cloud, so you always have up-to-date financial information. This means that you can also easily record transactions and create invoices if you're at a trade show or other event where you may not necessarily have access to your laptop. In addition to having more control over who has access to your information, QuickBooks Online also offers regular backups. So you won't have to worry about backing up your information or your data on a regular basis, or making certain that your backups are up to date. So instead, all of your information is automatically backed up in the cloud. Now, QuickBooks Online also doesn't just keep one backup, but instead there are cloud servers, or the cloud servers create redundant backups to ensure that even if one server fails, your information can still be retrieved. SaaS has a number of inherent benefits that a QuickBooks Online user can take advantage of. The first is that there is no software that needs to be installed on your computer. SaaS programs work by accessing data on a server, so you have access to your accounting software from any computer that has an internet connection because it is stored in the cloud. Now, this also means that you don't have to worry about updating or applying patches to every computer that accesses QuickBooks Online. The update is applied to the cloud software, so it's instantly available to anyone who logs in. And if you have a copy of the software installed locally or on multiple computers, every copy has to be updated. So if one user fails to do this, it can leave a hole in your security that can easily be breached. Scalability is also another great feature. Now, if you install software on each computer, you will have to purchase a license and then have your system administrator install it. Now, with SaaS applications, all you have to do is add a new subscription to your existing QuickBooks Online account. The user you add instantly has access to the application as well as your data, and when you need to remove your users, or if you need to remove a user, you can simply just cancel their subscription. Now, this makes QuickBooks Online more affordable as well, because buying a one-time piece of software is often a very expensive exercise, and you only get a single license with it. Now, with a subscription model, you can add or remove users as needed, and you only pay for the number of active subscriptions that you have. So you're not left with multiple copies of expensive software that you've now gone and paid full price for, but you no longer need it. And while the desktop version of QuickBooks does certainly have its uses, Many small business owners may find that a QuickBooks Online subscription has everything that they need. QuickBooks Online was designed to be a very accessible tool. Now, this means that there is a low learning curve for new users. For those who have used a QuickBooks or a previous version of QuickBooks, it's easy to jump in and start using the cloud version. Small business owners with little or no accounting experience will also find that they can set up a new QuickBooks file and start entering transactions within a few minutes. While the intuitive design does make it easy to get started, some users may need a little bit more help. QuickBooks Online offers a full support system, so you'll find various articles and how-to documents contained within their help section. And if you need more assistance, they also have an online help desk where you can chat with a live representative. One tedious task that your bookkeeper has to do, or you as the business owner has to do if you don't have a bookkeeper, is put together account statements and send out invoices. Now, this can take several days if you have a lot of clients. With QuickBooks Online, you can automate this process and take back that time. So it's easy to configure QuickBooks Online to automatically generate and even email invoices as well as other regular statements to your clients. Once you've set up a client in QuickBooks or entered them into the system, you don't need to do anything else. QuickBooks can automatically insert their name and other information and then send them the invoice. If you do print your invoices, QuickBooks can send these invoices to your printer as well. And another benefit is you can, if you wish to attach receipts or other paper documentation to the account, QuickBooks makes this easy as well. You can scan the documents in and then attach them to your invoice that gets sent to the customer. If the client pays online, the transaction is automatically entered into QuickBooks, and this further reduces the amount of work that you need to do. And it also ensures that the transaction isn't missed. This automation also reduces any errors made on invoices or entering a transaction. In addition to tracking the fiscal transaction, QuickBooks Online also keeps track of your inventory. So you can keep a list of your products as well as how many of them you have in stock, and you can house this in the system. So when you invoice your client through QuickBooks, the system will automatically adjust the inventory counts accordingly. So this means if you sell 3 of one item, your inventory for this item will automatically be reduced by 3 when you enter the invoice onto the system. There's no need for a separate inventory tracking system, and by using QuickBooks for both, you again reduce the risk of errors or of transactions being missed. Reports are vital in order to see the full picture of your business. Now, QuickBooks Online offers a wide range of different reporting options. Each report highlights different information that you may need in order to make decisions about your business. With these reports, you will always have the data that you need. And in fact, because everything is cloud-based, you can generate a report from anywhere. You can even access these reports via the QuickBooks Online mobile app, so you don't even need to have a computer in front of you. While QuickBooks Online is an amazing tool that absolutely anyone can use, at the end of the day, it is still just a tool. In order to draw true insights from its reports and fully understand your data, you need a professional bookkeeper on your side. These experts can suggest accounting best practices and implementation processes that will always ensure that your accounts are accurate and follow all relevant accounting standards. Now, by combining QuickBooks Online and a knowledgeable bookkeeper, you'll be able to grow your business and improve your bottom line. And this is also the best way to ensure that your bookkeeper has access to all of the relevant information needed in order to file your taxes. As always, we trust you found this video insightful, and should you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions for future content that you'd like to see, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Please also join us on our social media platforms such as LinkedIn and Facebook, or at our website at proteafinancial.com. Protea Academy, striving to achieve better accounting for everyone.